Welcome to the eBudde training, the Girl Orders tab. We will go over recording girl orders. This is anytime a girl gets more cookies from their troop, and recording girl payments. This is when a girl or her adult gives cash or money to the troop for cookies that have been sold. The Girl Orders tab is used for tracking how many cookies a girl gets credit for selling and if she has paid the troop for those cookies. This is where council gets the final numbers for a girl's rewards and also for how many gems that girl is receiving. Go to the Girl Orders tab from your dashboard. This will be your Girl Orders summary. This shows all of the girls in your troop, the total number of each variety that that girl has sold, the total number of packages they've sold at all, the total amount that they will end up paying for their packages, how much money they've already paid, if any, and what their balance due is, if they have a balance due. If the balance due is a negative number, that means they have credit for more payments than they do packages of cookies. A negative balance due means that girl needs more cookies. Let's see as an example. We'll click on any individual girl's name to go to her specific page. Here you can see that Betsy has 2 digital cookie girl delivered orders that were placed in January before the initial order, the troop order, was placed. And then she also has 56 packages that were ordered on her initial order. These are most likely off her paper order card. Anytime you give a girl more cookies, anytime you hand her more packages, you will add an order for that girl. After selecting plus order, you will be able to see which girl you have selected in the top left-hand corner in case you get distracted or just want to double check. Comment is what will appear on the girl's overview for why you have this transaction. I like to use the date and something descriptive if you are able to. For this order, we're going to use the date and goal getter orders. Maybe these are the packages that she was able to sell in February while waiting for the cookies to arrive. DOC for digital cookie, INV for inventory, and booth are all available options if you are tracking why you are handing the girls cookies. These are completely optional and up to you if you want to use them. You will enter the number of packages that you are handing her on this column. The financials will update automatically. You do not need to enter anything here. If the girl is also handing you money at the same time, you can record that here, but I prefer to keep those on 2 different lines. I will show you how to do that. Be sure to click Save. Here we have an example of a few packages added: 6 Adventurefuls, 2 Trefoils, 8 Samoas, and 10 Thin Mints. This is a total of 26 packages, and it was automatically calculated to be $156. We handed those cookies to the girl, and she did not hand any money in at the same time. Be sure to click Save. After you click Save, it will take you back to the overview of the girl, and you can now see that new order that we just placed on the line with everything else. It has updated her totals and her total amount due. When entering a payment, you can either select plus order or plus pay. It will do the same thing. Here I have entered the comment for this payment. I used the date and the word payment, and then the amount that was paid, which was $100, and then click Save. Now the payment will appear below the previous order we had entered with no packages because that was just a payment, $100 paid, and $100 off of her balance due. The season, the orders and payments will cancel out to zero. This is the girls' total cookies sold for the season. This is where we get the total for rewards and gems. This number and the balance due number must also match what you are reporting to us if there is an issue with a delinquent parent. Click pause if you would like longer to review this slide. Remember, the easiest way to think about the Girl Orders tab is that every time you give a Girl Scout cookies and every time you accept money from her and her adult, write a receipt for that transaction and record it exactly as the receipt says on the Girl Orders tab. Council is always happy to help with this part of the cookie program. When you call or email for us, please be sure to bring as much information as you have to expedite the process.